Ah, a cross is a cross. I didn't do baha.
I'm a far from
her. Nano, Obama, Nano, go from Betty. I was what I asked him for my baby. No one was sitting and do with you. Nana, did he come what's Nazi?
DL News.
Yamamo Akwaba. If to make a share of Facebook no. DLFM 106.9 Kasebono. Who for no video senior nam so benya bi ne watimi ahwe ediamayen. Yensha Kasebona se nkopie mo. Ewa santimatenum. Endrada ebeto dwese okopie mo. Ewa Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Abaya ba kwa mekese no afi we yada. No ba wie school no. The den edi juana eye diladam. Yebani mekase enipa bi etmaje ne kwa edi afre ne nsem. Ye nuaba Juana delatem yabani nanka afi ye hwe ni musa yankopɔ ba yadom nanka enso ha wo twere no wa wie school kura okofie na akɔpa adwuma etimi aye nanfo fie antoata ma ba ye etimi adwale abamokram na nkra free Ashanti Regional Police Command operasi ni pani ani dendi DCOP Emmanuel taikujo ekyerem sem wonom ensa timiaka CCTV footage bia edi dance say abaye odo wankasa ne nkanchima ne boyfriend infantine bese na nwewe ebo moden eso ni minim eka che ne say abaya na de edo de ne ebeya last day o che de eto famboko de ne nan edisi ni minim aya asagro sa abaya ne ba na ho so yase tim keja wakunum positive chirem say abamu obo moden etu sa na moyin ono nso ayefa na year student ono so ko school ewa Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology school nukura make say no endrampo onu so ko twa exams anopa ewie ye pra ba moden etu sabe say nyina mensewa na mo we make say waje abaye enkwam etimi edi afre nsem na positive ne kirem say eya ba mo tu sa na mo waye vision na duanu ba ko 21 years ne den ade Daniel tufo make say positive ache no eka ko mo hwehwe mapa etimi ya dwuma de enti aka no ema wankasa oba oda okukum utumi ne dada bialada ene jijiji mani saa meka say ene ji amaje nyasem kuma enti bone be pa na ode ye won bo moden a eche ne to fom emia ne minimu saa ekono apol for kirem say o mema hwehwem no ma na hwehwem po moden ankoso de enti aka na akoma se obekum nipa no o mema kiremum na meka say no eye influencer bo moden ne eye assistant register Adwoa University of Kwame Nkrumah Technology ne bo moden twetwen komone den eye Anita akua kirewa eye kuma echechere mu se sem ya esi de mu a ye frisa abofra no wono ma anwen ho ankan bi amfa nhye mu se tufo betumi abomade adi se wuati sane mu so de asie ye pa ne senti kokobode ama asukufo ne abatan se momode anya kasa kire fa nche ma ne frisa de yakoso no ye se wo be ko school ne be ho ansa se be ne mpona kakanya ne kunumpo achi ne kunu o chema de asie emu a ye pa.
She was taken to the tech hospital, and at the time that they picked her up, she didn't have any ID on her. So UITS was quickly deployed to come take her biometric. And after the biometric exercise, they realized that she's a student of ours, a fourth year biological sciences student, and that has been established. And she's undergoing the necessary medical examination right now. Investigation is ongoing. We're doing so in collaboration with the Ashanti Regional CID Command, who is currently on campus.
Any awoti assistant registrar at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology no ono ayawamo mpenimfo mamade ahwe omukita hudie eso aka omo hubi ne den ade Anita akua kirewa kuma ena wote ne nti sikapa ba kwanda fomo
aya asemo won sendra na kasa yen ya kan ya
Sammy kan ho asemo ha
owo na koso ne de nya kronfo de
me ka sa nya kronfo mennim se maye se de nansen akapuma agura ekoso university sinimo no me de anyam nwanwa se eye boy na eku no se maka kire mo dada yetumufu amomfa me de maka yesu yetumufu amomfa mode monkwa egura to program adodo unwu ya nim de obenya abaya kama ente se watumi atena se ema wompona achew eku investment awofo aye nyina ahye agukwa in fact yo e man mo tete awofo no dudu
once Kwadwo no one dan gender say ono an boy no ni date no ebetimi akum no
one na anwen
na so nipa de oto ho no ma untimi nka se nipa asomasi de obekume so onim sa sanka uhu ne kranka bedwane wo hu
enti na nipa ese wani da odse bia aboa krodom no ese mo wani da ho afiri se won ne kwa na won ne ba ne nyina na ese so uhwe nipa won ne nam no su ne ban yie me yawo sa abaye comment ko fifa ne picture ba ko be ne to ma me why na Ghana fo me hwe abaye na ye ka ne ho asemi abaye ye kan ne ho of papa ko finya we ya ko so aba ko bi wo ho bio dabi aka ba ko bi so fa bra aha hwe abaye a wote Facebook isi wo dia bra Facebook ne ba behwe obi be nte se masa Joanna Deladem Yabani abaya kama nte se kwabrane asonukom ebum ekuna to atwene na Ghana mema na nyam nwa bi go na nsenu bone na doso okrum adodo enu bone ne doso enyam nwa sa akrakwa no mtramo enyam nwa because sabe na adwene ya adwuma san kwase sem se sabe enka oni nsem hunu sei enka oni obi board na ko school be wie school wachi ne kuno
o mema sam me de wato fam de me na ya
abaya on ti sei abofo aye investment ente se o mo ba ho so o mra no mahwe abusua hwe de ode aye no enti monso muntu hofo me de meka emaya no monam ho so enye de hye nya na yesika Sammy akwa ebe mansu hu akwa de be mpo na ka chenso ompani bio ebetimi asi wa hu no nti yesrada awofo ne bre wa ha kofitela ebi kura mpanka be ma ikura nwalo kofitela kura dia wakukwa mi wura kura ho mi wura ho kura sika mama ni na ho ne de yakọ na eya some betna se jejam ho saa keke saa mama ntwempre
actually don't mean ka se mama ntwe once ni ana meka no nipa de on danjin
aya monda monwen moda monwen monna anwen afiri na ekọ moda monwen me meka no kura kire moda monwen because me asem we asi no unse sa school na nkasa no nansen last year ka boba manfo bebe na binim so wuwu saa ne ade me ya o man kana madada moda monwen pa na adwen say awofo be bo ho kapa na beda na wonwen de nyamyanim no kure ni be adwen enti efiri na kwasabe moda monwen ne ha adwen to akase ebo no so
yantu akase ebo ne so ne na anu mimindai ana ye wudie bi ekoso wonungwa etuo eto ya etimi bo eye na abole nels na dodo na freno na agamu amudi ni si ohima wo ga adanwe ye Muslim Union no achese otimi eto anananom ewon siedo na ya de police fo abomodin etimi achiri owura bi e friend Samuel Agyei amudi na kogina ye Teshi district court ha omuyi na no na sise de ya de court no e de ato Samuel Agyei nim se onko da eye police fo akache na moma Adwoa Sammy ne de to so eye dumienu no wasan so aba ne waba abegina court nanim eye ade we nam so ma police fo be hwehwemu pa de afa ne enti a otimi edi sa ewudie sanse eye ade ha adwin ye papa mu chema etuo ye ba ne sekra na okoto e de bo hima yi na chese ade oye ye wanya de nti we ne nsem a police fo e de abetuja
o se wanya de wanhyada
oh the so pouchons a police for said dabi
krum harankasa na ase enema ya trapo watutuo ekun hima ye chiwa so wanhyada le tuo na oto de ayeden
e bia no di agro na ye ne say
water tuo edidi agro
na ne say water gun ana wo use wo honum
krum harankasa no se me de maka
agro na wo ye ni so agro
asade ne si aye enkwese hwintra ebe mu oni sei sa abaya ye kunu wo na school no mu no mpenifo ma ne nkwadam anya hwe kuro dam ni nkwanna nyina kuro bebo ase be ya mema na ase be mudi nsem kunkunkunkum nipa no eso obete me ya pa so obi ba pa be china tumeku ni sa wonso akwatwetwa kokun ohima ya chewa wo se wanhyada
no didi
onko da afiase no nkochirim nkyere mpanimfo yento akase wonse mpiem wa Ghana man panin John Dramani Muhammad Rada edin send to dwa echirem sem o maga na yatim sese no atemu ohun sensem wa Ghana hai meche eye judicial service no ni o man koyie kura na akwaya manyosem utumi se maban na aba ni senti otemofo ya bondi so ankwatena nkwosomo no ayaba nipa na osiwa na mopote ni senti o mampani aba no bibia ni wa obeya judge ne betumi akwati awda ene aseme ebesi bia ne kwakwoto a enkwese hwe unanimous FC fo nkwam Ghana mampani echirem se sana moto ne ekoso no ama esi amekese no proye kankan adware o manga na ha adwinye pa magana yentumi nkonkwe ya ne mukram wakasa echirem se ekwane sa pa Ghana for do na kasa na se tirem ze ye wonya asem na de kwakwato enkwasi hwe visa we ne de atemufu ano esika bribe pa avisa ban nipa na wose we no wanya jajo eya ban nipa Ghana man penisi yanka kire Ghana fo nyina sei na ban ya bai obeje ne tumi so abon homoden ayenye chapa ma boa me kese jajefo a aban ebo obi de ne kwatena ho na waka je kwatena ho yi masem ba di mamyo se wonnim na se medisika na pa me hontoma waso ye ba ehye no Ghana man peni kire mi sei na memwe we mu de ebi nkoso da odisika atemofo be pie manima monchene fa ntum na munyi sika na fa ma my Ghana man peni kire mi sei yakoya ne mu papa no homoden abo ma Ghana fo nyina yegidie ewa temu mu se be betimi abona Ghana fo nso hye pa se yeko editia plan kankan no yetimi edo yeboshe no eho.
As soon as the 2025 budget is approved, government will immediately take steps to reform the existing anti-corruption agencies by increasing funding and improving transparency and accountability. Mr. Speaker, Ghanaians voted largely and overwhelmingly and endorsed the NDC because we demonstrated a strong commitment and abhorrence for corruption. We pledged to fight corruption and implement far-reaching reforms that will eventually achieve a sustainable zero-tolerance policy against corruption. Mr. Speaker, the justice and legal sectors play pivotal roles in ensuring accountability and fostering the fair, equitable treatment of all our citizens by the state and its agencies. Delays and uncertainties have plagued justice delivery in Ghana, leading many Ghanaians to perceive a politicization of the judicial process. The public trust in the judiciary's independence is alarmingly low. We must work together to restore confidence in the judiciary. My government will uphold the judiciary's independence and work with the Judicial Council and services to depoliticize justice delivery and collaborate closely with the Chief Justice to combat corruption effectively.
Enuachi ena Ghana man penei John Dramani Mahama kasemu ena wo kire me say yanka nkire Ghana fo nyina say na ban edisika ebe wura ho bambokum atumi aboa entete pade ma wonom afensu ba biom de omutiri beto nso ema wonom se betumi aboa na aboa omuti dom na ho bambonsem atumi akonkan e wo man Ghana.
Mr. Speaker, I'm pleased to report that Ghana's internal security remains stable despite developments primarily rooted in chieftaincy disputes. We firmly believe that even amidst conflict, it is essential for our citizens to coexist peacefully and seek amicable resolution to these disputes. We'll initiate comprehensive reform across all security agencies to strengthen our national safety and security. One area that has garnered significant public scrutiny is the recruitment process within our security forces. Accusations of politicization, favoritism, protocol, and selectivity have been prevalent. Let me assure you that we're committed to changing that narrative and fostering a more transparent and equitable recruitment policy so that all our young people who wish to serve in these services have an opportunity to do so.
Nekwakramo no ena Ghana man penin yando da kopia ma shebe djuma na the State of the Nation address na tudwa na wo kire mu sem yanka nkire MPP amanyoku abanye twa mu se entimo sa na motia power krayim ena mode Ghana fo egura to pressa no Ghana man penin se yanka nkire MPP amanyoku abanye twa mu no ene o man penin dada na ado danko akufu ado se obeka kire Ghana fo nyina se we yi akwan foforo mako 13,000 kilometers ena wo kire mu se Ghana man penin dada eni za na ate sa obeye Ghana fo fakradam o kire ma nukure nim o se akwan foforo bi eni ho ma o man penin dada timi yi na mo nyina ne se akwan dada ne bi ena okogina akwan so ekọ pache sa na obada Ghana fo ka kire sika ekọ hye akwan o kire sika o madi enye sika kuma o kire se contractors ni bi mpo obi di kan se be 2,000 Ghana cedis pe empia ma yoko na ntumi antua ema na bada na so o kire mi se empia ma yoko ni pa na ntro de aba Ghana fo ye fa ahenche no e fa nche wo no na mo bo akra.
Mr. Speaker, our road network is the cornerstone of our nation's infrastructure, facilitating over 90% of the transportation of goods and services across this country. This vital network is critical in supporting agricultural growth by linking farmers to markets, lowering transportation costs, and ensuring quicker access to essential supplies and services. The resulting interconnected benefits foster a vibrant economy and enhance the livelihood of countless of our citizens. Mr. Speaker, while the previous government has made lofty claims about achieving unprecedented milestones in the road sector, available evidence does not support its assertion that it constructed over 13,000 kilometers of new roads. Instead, it has perpetuated a narrative that presents road maintenance and rehabilitation efforts as new construction projects, misleading the public about what has been achieved. The proportion of poor roads has increased, especially in urban centers, where the number of roads in disrepair surged from 46% in 2015 to almost 60% by 2021. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, our road sector is in crisis, mainly due to years of mismanagement. As many as 85% of awarded contracts in the road sector have stalled, and the contractors have stopped work due to non-payment, and most of them have packed their equipment off-site. Mr. Speaker, as of December 2024, unpaid bills owed to contractors in the sector.
Any awoti a Ghana man penny, John Dramani Mahama.
Yanto akase bone so na dom kuma omon ma shebedwa fia bekasa e dia fa ye nsem bia o mampani John Dramani Mahama e kan ya e de fa ye o man Ghana yesikasem at statement na o make ye ne ye criminally mismanaged ana mo kire se na hu hia sen kasa statement no mampani e betimi atimi master statement san sem fato mampani kura de nti ana ye o mampani na nsem bi wo hono ma na wo keka ne se yesa o man ne nu onyam na ye de e bre na sesan so na ma o man no entimi entu mpon yesterday na mo na ye ma shebedwani e wo ye inhia so ana odi tuja se e wo musa o man Ghana mu aye din ye papa na so ansa na ne ye besi ye obebo bo so me ne de to so e ye de edi kan won fimpi mienu ne aduonunum no e besi ye na chese ye aban dada no abomodin atimi ama mpuntuo kakra etimi abemti ade ntino mampani awo se wugina ho na okasa asem no ndo ni pa se e ye aban dada etwa mu ne di o mu ye bibi e de for man Ghana yesikasem ho.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's one thing I want you to know, that our president did not address the true state of the nation's economy. We have a lot, time will not allow me. One statement that he made that I was very much surprised was the fact that we had left billions of cedis at the defense ministry. But he failed to tell us the crisis that was looming. He himself emphasized the point that our boundaries were threatening our country. In fact, this is what I have. I'll hand over to you. At the Defense Ministry, unprecedented achievements in the area of acquisition of equipment that has given us security as a country. He did not talk about it. Ladies and gentlemen, our president failed to talk about the fact that Agenda 111 is ongoing and that some of the projects, we have completed them. Government is about continuity. Government is about continuing what has been done. You remember the popular affordable house by Omanpanyi Kufuor. Previous government, being the NDC, abandoned this project. It had to take Nanado and Baumia's government to even complete those projects. Now he talked about railway sector. Tell me in the history of this country, apart from Nanado's government, who has accomplished unprecedented projects in the area of railway sector? Driving from here to home, you encounter about such major railway projects for crossing the roads. We have commissioned some of them and even brought practice.
Ne krakrem no moto aso say yo mampani dada na nado dankwa Kufuor efri abamu no ade a National Health Insurance Scheme ene ye free SHS ni nyina no ono ankasa na ye odi ni nyina de mampani no mampani ba ye na nya de awoye bibia e de afa won dada na na eda so yete ho no nti wonya iso ba montin so na okasa e de atia eye aban dada no.
But for free SHS, over 100,000 young ones would have been home. But for Nanado's government, NHIS had already collapsed under first Mahama's administration. School feeding had collapsed. LEAP had collapsed. In fact, teachers and nurses' allowances, the most essential services in any economic jurisdiction, is education and health. But he cancelled all of them, making some of poor Ghanaians coming home only to be confronted with unwanted pregnancies. And some got into drugs. So we are saying that MPP government, in spite of the economic crisis that was unprecedented since the first World War, we've been able to restore the economy. We handed over a restored economy to the Mahama government. A working economy, operationally, it was so fundamentally correct that
DLFM 106.9.
indicators, in terms of secondary macro indicators, in terms of education, in terms of agriculture, in terms of health, they actually inherited a better economy. All the payments he's talking about, where did they get money from?
Niya wuti ye Steven Amwa ona na shebejani edema eye nhia so.
Yanto aka sebosen ko pie mwan. Ewa pie matemum. Na mobile mobile telecommunication network etwanitia e kan se MTN. Make some modern etmia commission project kese pa a state of the art information and communication technology ICT laboratory kese pa ede ama Ilo Krobo senior high school no ewo so menya ewo paymentemu wonu mu kirem se wamomade anyi school no mfa mobra evrize mofra no wonom ehunu amaniye pam na mpelifo kase no mu kirem se mekese no laboratory maye no nebo esom 1.3 million Ghana cedis a ekwankan ye para mu kirem se emofra no sua de modern mo kwankan nanso ene na opa betimi abo mo ne ma tisenim de omusua no ebetimi akwankan no wonom eni akade akura wonom kirem se wo hwe aya ICT na mekire abafo kwa efa so esua de no emofra ne nibi ema ho kire pa na aka wonom na mpanifo aka se odwumede na se wendra da mekire ya wada ogefo abosome ne da etoso de onu nson emfimpim ye na donu eye enumo no ena general manager edema MTN Foundation no ona ye in charge edema sustainability and shared value ne den ede Isaac mente eka se kirem se wo hwe eye Ilo Krobo SH school na woni made ye pa mafo ne bom made nanso akade no ehwa ye den pa ede won sente o kirem a sa abafo kwan wo do mafa so ede school kese ye de aban ena physical computers a wo de babo na mafra na etumanya hunim de no ebetua bom mafra no humasua no etumya kwankan ye pam wakasa kirem se wo hwe MTN fo dwumade no mudie na Ghana fo bo made tua sika de fa wo pa ne sente hu behia se o manga nanso emofo ne benya ho ese bibi papa betua bo na o man so ye hu ne se yes MTN adwuma ko no so abo ma Ghana nso ene me kwankan wa kirem se o mekwa so emofo de aboa e ma mofra wo do musua enwoma o manga na mu ntete pa o manja bi na ba fo kwan so ne ma kwankan e de ma wonom adesua.
As we proudly say, doing for tomorrow today, this project embodies this vision. Why have we chosen Ilo Krobo SHS? As one of only 2 public senior high schools in the Ilo Krobo district, Ilo Krobo SHS holds immense potential to become a benchmark for ICT education. However, the lack of a well-equipped ICT facility has hindered this potential. Without a proper ICT lab, integrating technology into teaching and offering ICT as an elective subject was simply not feasible. In today's world, where ICT influences every aspect of our lives, access to technology is not merely a luxury, it is a fundamental necessity. This is especially true for schools like Ilo Krobo SHS, where technology can dramatically elevate the quality of teaching and learning. Recognizing this urgent need, the MTN Ghana Foundation Board proudly approved the construction of a fully equipped ICT lab at an investment of 1.3 million Ghana cedis. This strategic initiative is designed to tackle the long-standing challenges that Ilo Krobo Senior High School has faced. This facility has 40 modern all-in-one desktop computers and 2 interactive smart boards, all equipped to provide a great learning experience for students from Ilo Krobo and its surrounding areas. At MTN, we recognize that education is not just a priority, it is essential. It requires significant investment to ensure that every child has the opportunity to learn and thrive. That's why the MTN Ghana Foundation is steadfast in its commitment to invest in education, providing the infrastructure and tools.
Any awoti ye general manager edema MTN Ghana Wadom Foundation ono ana opening po in charge edema sustainability and shared value ne den ede Isaac Mante eno achiri ana venso headmaster edema Ilo Krobo wanum SHS no ne den ede Robert na donko ono so chirem se MTN fuma bodwoma papa if MTN Foundation mo anyamo a komba bre papa o jemza ne mo amatwi paye o mo de ye pam eno achi so chirem ba bo mo fra na de suan so ne ma konka if ne Mika se wiase nyina ba for kwan fa susua de no eno na ba bia ekọ so nte ko ba se na omuni bie no wone mo ka kire wadusua se sia me ka se omo secret bebo omo so adesua no omo nhama wo fran so adesua so etimi akonkan ma maga na so etimi anya wone mo so emfa so.
Just a room filled with computers. It is a game changer. It is a space where our students will explore, learn, and dream big. In today's fast-moving digital world, technology is no longer a luxury. It is a necessity. And thanks to MTN Ghana Foundation, our students now have a tool to compete globally, learn smarter, and achieve more. For that, we say a big thank you. As we prepare to transform into a smart school, we have integrated technology into our daily operations. Our teachers now prepare lessons using an Agyei lesson plan, making teaching more efficient. The assistant headmaster academic vet teachers lesson through the use of smart TV. Students use an Agyei system, making it easier for teachers to track their movement. We use Google Classroom for assignments and exercises, keeping up with the modern learning trend. Our administrative offices are connected through a local area network for effective and efficient operation.
Any awoti headmaster at the Ilo Krobo Senior High School, near the Robert na Donkom. Ne kwakra mo no and Olivia Pale at the letter at the math science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Ne den abomaden akasa dwumede ase chire mu se you made the MTN for tree, a babu papa, Mamma Fredis and Nema Concan ye panty, Wagaza Chrim Sem. And my fan is when you are Munsia, dear ye previs, I make a say no. I will go Boka, MTN Ghana Foundation, and so tell much dear, then I'm okay. Most of money the morning, Abba for Quampany for Fasusia, the Anasa for Quay Faso, Esia, dear, you should might go find my home from Bano. A boapa and the Santi, you made the MTN Ghana Foundation for Tuno. A babu of friends of Moko School, our Yulo Krobo Senior High School, Mamma so one, how my disyanso. Etimi akwankani yipa.
What our able headmaster said, I know both the present and the future is great so far as technology is concerned, and I know you'll get there. The establishment of this center is a testament to the commitment of the MTN Ghana Foundation to promoting STEM education and empowering the next generation of innovators and leaders. This center will provide students with the skills such as hands-on experience in robotics, coding, programming, and then equipping them with the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in an increasingly technology-driven world. Ladies and gentlemen, we recognize the importance of investing in education and the role that partnerships such as thus play in shaping the future of our country. The MTN Ghana Foundation support will not only enhance the learning experience of students at YKS.
Any awoti ye. Aye mami ono ena waya director of science, technology, engineering and mathematics the Trinity. Can STEM education on the danom. Neden Ed Olivia Opale. Amani boy yensem training kontin ko fi obo and the best man dan ye ho ye ba ye de kasebon de aka che nyina be kenkan ni nyina e de asoma wie
Makwantu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso me yensem tro ne nti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya abre ne adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madanse die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi britia wabi ebeje wo visa amawo se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradia, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho a work permit etechere. Ma menchire wo mo echere kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Bay Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244 291546. Email address nso samuel626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse empo asede media.
Yama mo akwa ba fiyan kenka madwenkyere ni bie emfanso we apiaga pegado kire mi sei. Mahama oni ade foforo bi ade magana for nti muntum na dada na ansam dada na okeke kasa ya de ase wo fa ke chirem so de hwe live ready free Kwame Nkrumah second open station o chirem se kase boni mo de na mom Ghana man penis ma bekeka na ndo ane de nyamianim no kure ni na enam no kwan so kra de Ghana for we entumi mfa yen kwese hwe mateme da ase we si ya Richard Ahwe o chirem se good afternoon to you Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adwoa Agyei Sikapa o chirem kase boni na mu live pa we station ho no ma na ya DJ Ghana man fidie ni so Ghana for nyine tie edi free DLFM man senior yenso da se pa we si free senior man Charles Mante chief of staff o chirem se nansen atrimodin ne basabasa ye ekoso efa gesene relationship ho pa ema ene mama ntemu nansen mu no ahomate pa ehu bahia se nipa bia mpanifo beso ne dua mu no awotwe ni mpere mo mamra ene ni nipa efise nansen se de ekoso no atete kofitela na minima de kura woje na wo ade ebe ye wachire ho o chire ma ha adwen ye pa se nansen abaya no obema bi twempona kaka ne ya twese kane de yaku no o chire ma akracha ya chini tufo police for man nkwadam ni nkwana nyina na mo na kine bi obi su fanya dusua de ye da asisine ma chasmante na Kwame eye opals oye pasco eye Newman o chemi so hwe live e difference home government hospital no chemi say in fact Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama entrance ma wodo batu abontini nya nokura nim indi Ghana for mo matakramade en ada mokra enso be kan nya nokura ba komponim sine yeso ya da se Kofi Parliament e chemi say MPP any NDC for no they are just playing a mind game. I grown kwa no mood in the Ghana of mama ni na we pa. Na nema yakwa so na na dan kwa na MPP na nisi for. Edada or main or say DLFM in favorite station. Sina yenso ya da so hwe live. Edi free eye aguna Bobby Kuma apa. Ye na yegina we nyaka se bonom. Ye de nyina da edi sika se wo mse mu fo na ya maze. Mebere ntwe na se mu de ma yen. Kofi Taylor otonko de ekopie mo e wo Facebook no so. Akenkanfo so eye mienu. Edi amejeso takwade Kwadwo krom twaba wode se kwankron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
Kofi babo me ana yes also mana na Adwoa Sikapa fa na kwamwa na wabai mesrawo Ghana ne awanya ye we esu wenya usu mesrawo ada enkwaji we mo wani ase jama ye ne yensu yesu ne yemfa yi asa nyama ne mfa man kwa ha machines ns repene ye na Adwoa Siki ena pamfo de anto mo bai ene ye fa ne kayedum ya betras na di hye bia mo nipa bia wu nipa bia mo bo abra ma wu kono ya be ka aka mo enti mo ntras na Adwoa Siki obey enya senkwan mo nyina mo eni tia ade hye
midimafo pokwase mayira akra